Ready.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the details of employability skills second year syllabus. Unit number 1, English literacy. In this unit we'll be dealing with greetings, introducing yourself, talking about your family, likes and dislikes. Next is role models. You need to introduce the role model, discuss strength and weaknesses, criticism, etc. Adjectives, verbs, pronouns, etc. all are covered. Writing about this person. Next is my society, describing surroundings, the changes in environment, do's and don'ts, dumping of garbage, use of plastic, water conservation, strength and weaknesses, roads, pollution, gardens. Next is my interests. Here dealing with theme parks, historical areas, talking about adventure, sea, mountain, beaches, hobbies. Next about my work, what they want to do, why they want to do it, what do they know about this opportunity, competition, sector. Next topic is app-based learning. Actual speaking practice, all 4 skills tested, gamified, vernacular capability, mapped to what is covered in class. Benefits, interactive, self-confidence, high engagement. Hope unit number 1 is covered by you people. Next is unit number 2, which is the most important and most known topic, that is communication skills. Under this unit we'll be studying personal, that is reflection template, importance of communication, managing emotions, creating online profile, and formal introduction of self. It will be based on the industry. Next is interpersonal communication, giving and receiving feedback, formal and informal communication, verbal and non-verbal, listening skills, gender sensitivity, application of gender sensitivity. Next topic is workplace communication. Under this topic we'll be dealing with interview preparation with resume, formal dress, communication etiquette, mobile applications for the workplace, dealing with fake news, customer interaction, defining customer, client, communication based on the customer base, workplace communication, peer, superior and juniors, practice of formal communication, dealing with peers, superiors and juniors. Coming to unit number 3, which is information technology literacy. Here we'll be studying MS PowerPoint, its basics, creating, opening, closing and slideshows, file conversion and reducing file size, data webcasting through mobile, server and cloud computing, language translation, customize and using online CVs. Also, we'll be dealing with artificial intelligence, latest technology based model or simulated software. Next, entrepreneurship skills. Talking about entrepreneurship mindset, aspects of inspiring, motivating, recalling the qualities, being a leader, values, personal code of conduct, ownership of enterprise, framework of an effective leader, grit, managing personal time, focusing on breaking myths. Next topic is opportunity identification, selection of types of business, unique idea about the business, being environment friendly, reminder about business model framework. Next topic is being resourceful. Identify ways of being resourceful, importance of networking, how to connect, bring in English and IT skills related activities, business model revisit. Next topic is ease of doing business, single window mechanism for running the business, how to apply for business, awareness of statutory compliances, government and non-government schemes, business model revisit activity, managing resources, human resource, infrastructure, use of internet, importance of IT skills, business model revisit activity, mentorship and role models, importance of mentorship. They will look at mentors in their own ecosystem, connecting with them through net or otherwise. Again, learning cycle, business model revisit, being a lifelong learner by being aware of skills and attitudes displayed by other successful entrepreneurs. Next unit is sustainable career. Career awareness. Learn and explore upcoming advances in the industry. Topics with real life experience. Understand importance of mastering career planning and readiness topics. Next topic is career planning. Learning and applying growth mindset to career planning. Learning about personal skills and interests. Adapting to ever-changing business environment. Learning about continuous upskilling, reskilling, learning requirements in the industry. Next topic is career readiness. Writing technical evaluations, aptitude test, communicating with FET during the interview. Final, your students are placement. Preparing and reviewing final resume, identifying and applying for apprenticeships on NAPS, registering government portals, job portals, internship opportunities, applying for jobs, requesting and receiving feedback to improve performance, developing cultural intelligence, respecting gender equality at workplace, cultivating professional attitude, applying green practices in life and career. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for latest updates and regular notifications.